I am a Malayali. I wear a pink lungi. I'm a card-holding member of the Marxist Party. I am a Malayali. God knows I am a Malayali. I gone to the Gulf. I gone to the Gulf for a long time to get a big fat salary. Oh, I miss my family. Who cares? I'm making lots of money. My chappals are baja, and you can call me